Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Oppo Find M2 Flip. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now look for Microsoft Edge. Select it and click on Install. When it's ready, click on Open. Here we can customize the browser, so sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on Confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as the default browser. And from here you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.